Green chutney, a flavorful journey. Green chutney, also known as hari chutney, is a vibrant condiment relished across India and beyond. Its base typically consists of fresh coriander leaves, cilantro, but its magic lies in the variations. Some recipes incorporate mint leaves for a cooling effect, while others add a touch of heat with green chilies. Spices like cumin and chaat masala introduce depth, and a squeeze of lemon juice balances the flavors. The beauty of green chutney lies in its customizability. You can adjust the ingredients to suit your taste preferences. Basic green chutney recipe that you can customize to your liking. Combine all the ingredients except water and lemon juice in a grinder or blender jar. Freshness is key to enjoying the vibrant flavors of green chutney. It's best to make it fresh whenever possible. Green chutney isn't just a dip, it's a flavor bomb waiting to elevate your culinary creations. Green chutney isn't just delicious, it's packed with nutrients that offer a variety of health benefits. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, green chutney can contribute to a healthy immune system, improve digestion, and overall well-being. Visit www.dailynecessities.in for more details and recipes.